Few machines can hold their own against the KTM 500 EXC-F SIX DAYS. Power, torque, unmatched handling, and pure 4-stroke fury puts this enduro weapon in a class all of its own. Packing a punch, complete with closed cartridge suspension, and an electronics package that puts its rivals to shame, the 2025 KTM 500 EXC-F SIX DAYS is ready to take on any challenge. Graphics. The 2025 KTM SIX DAYS range celebrates the latest installment of the ISDE in Spain with its most striking look to date. Boasting multiple shades of orange and sharp graphics, all that's left to say is, vamos. Fuel tank. The transparent, polythene, XPE, fuel tank is a signature element of the KTM Enduro lineup. Switchgear. On the right side of the handlebar, you'll find a new, sleeker start-stop switch that's taken directly from our motocross machines. Engine. Warp speed engaged. The SOHC engine in the KTM 500 EXC-F SIX DAYS is an undeniable powerhouse. The off-road control unit, or OCU, is located under the seat and replaces all the electronic fuses and relays. This makes for easy error detection as the status of each output is indicated by a red or green LED light. Suspension. 48mm WPX-ACT closed cartridge spring fork provides fast and consistent damping, with optimized oil flow. This means these forks ensure unmatched performance at every level. WPX-PLOR shock. Remaining a hallmark of KTM Enduro weaponry, a PDS rear shock concept improves the anti-squat behaviors of the chassis. Frame. Specifically engineered for longitudinal rigidity, the KTM 500 EXC-F SIX DAYS is engineered around a gloss orange powder-coated frame providing exceptional rider feedback, energy absorption, and high-speed stability. Subframe. An ultra-light lightweight subframe takes charge at the rear of the main frame, featuring a 2-part polyamide and reinforced aluminum construction. Wheels and tires. The KTM 500 EXC-F SIX DAYS rolls on a set of high-strength 6 Days branded giant alloy wheels coupled to CNC machined hubs and aluminum nipples. These are wrapped in a set of ultra-grippy Continental TKC 80 tires. Exhaust. Providing the bark to the KTM 500 EXC-F SIX DAYS bite, the exhaust system is designed to deliver hard-hitting performance at the lowest possible weight. Ergonomics. The KTM EXC range features a rider-focused body position triangle, providing improved knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs, with improved gripping surfaces all around. With the plastics working to expel mud buildup in wet, muddy conditions, a flat seat profile with a high grip seat cover providing exceptional rider movement and control, and a polyamide reinforced aluminum subframe providing unmatched rider feel and feedback, your only concern is navigating the terrain ahead of you. 2025 KTM EXC SIX DAYS range highlights are: orange glossy frame protection set 6 Days specific seat map select switch traction control quick shifter 6 Days branded parts orange anodized CNC machined triple clamps orange front axle puller semi-floating front brake disc solid rear brake disc rear brake safety wire supersports stealth rear sprocket skid plate radiator fan Metzeler 6 Days extreme tires.